Welcome to Traveling Bits. The speciality at Yediyur Lake are different types of rabbits and birds. Let's go inside and check them. Yediyur Lake is said to be one of the oldest lake in Bangalore city and is said to date back to the Hoysala period. It is located in between Jayanagar and Basavanagudi and can be easily accessible through Jayanagar 6th block. There is a joggers track, a public gym, children's play area and lots of sitting arrangement, and as we go inside we will see lots of beautiful rabbits and different kind of birds. In 2017 Yediyur Lake was restored and boating was introduced here. Here is the public gym, and as we go a little further you would see a statue of Swami Vivekananda. Beautiful Sunday morning here at Yediyur Lake, Bangalore, and we are going to see beautiful rabbits and birds. Stay with me. Yediyur Lake now stretches across 11.5 acres of land. Effective microbe solution, a purifying solution from sugarcane, tomato and grapes, was used to clean the lake without harming the fish in the lake. Around 141 species of migratory birds and around 56 species of Indian birds are found here at Yediyur Lake. The BBMP and Watchers India Trust worked together on the Banari Marali Bagodike project to save the sparrows in 2017. Now, not just sparrows, many other birds are found naturally at Yediyur Lake. We are now going to see the most popular inhabitants of this park, the beautiful rabbits.
Yeah, go ahead.
बोला कर ब्रीडिंग
She's been eating. Where is that?
She was not eating. Over there.
क्या आपको ले देंगे कम
उनको rabbits से लो करो मरी ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ
आप पक्का उनसे
मरी ನೋಡ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯನ ಅದೇ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
To be an old tree.
Black-winged kites Asian Koels, Jacanas, Mottled Wood Owls, spotted doves, kingfishers, and even pelicans can be seen here. It's a beautiful setting for boating while you paddle. Motorboats are not available for environmental reasons. We have come to the end of today's video. Do let us know how did you like the video by sharing your comments and likes. Do subscribe to our channel Traveling Bits for interesting travel stories and regular updates. Thank you.